Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. Counsels of a true friend rejoices the heart. June 3rd. We choose the best in friendships. Ointments of perfume rejoice the heart, so doth the sweetness of a man's friends, by hearty counsel. Proverbs chapter 27, verse 9. Things will go wrong with everyone. Sadness and discouragement press every soul. Then a personal presence, a friend who will comfort and impart strength, will turn back the darts of the enemy that are aimed to destroy. Christian friends are not half as plentiful as they should be. In hours of temptation, in a crisis, what a value is a true friend. Satan at such times sends along his agents to cause the trembling limb to stumble, but the true friend who will counsel, who will impart magnetic hopefulness, the calming faith that uplifts the soul, oh, such a help is worth more than precious pearls. The life of Samuel from early childhood had been a life of piety and devotion. He had been placed under the care of Eli in his youth, and the loveliness of his character drew forth the warm affections of the aged priest. He was kind, generous, diligent, obedient, and respectful. It was a singular thing that between Eli, the chief magistrate of the nation, and the simple child, so warm a friendship should exist. Samuel was helpful and affectionate, and no father ever could love his child more tenderly than Eli loved this youth. How touching to see youth and aged relying one upon the other. The youth looking up to the aged for counsel and wisdom, the aged looking to the youth for help and sympathy. This is as it should be. God would have the youth possess such qualifications of character that they shall find delight in the friendships of the old, that they may be united in the endearing bonds of affection to those who are approaching the borders of the grave. A strong, helpful grasp of the hand of a true friend is worth more than gold and silver. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.